friends, welcome to Savi'S Idea Aroma in the kitchen segment. If you like our content, please do like, share, subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon for further notifications. Today we will discuss about different foods suitable for diabetes. Number 1. KARELA, bitter gourd, PAVAKKAI. Its benefits. Number 2. Chickpeas, SUNDAL, KADALE. Its benefits. Number 3. Spinach and other leafy greens. Its benefits. Number 4. Broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower. Its benefits. Number 5. Flax seeds. Its benefits. Number 6. Tomatoes. Its benefits. Plan the diabetic chart yourself to start your day energetically.